If you are a forex trader and you are looking for a destiny helper in this forex space, I will advise you not to look for that destiny helper again, because you have already gotten it. In fact, you have already gotten them. There are three destiny helpers in this forex space that you've seen them but you don't know it's your destiny helper. Someone came to me on TikTok and messaged me and asked me to phone account for him. I was like, can you trade? Yes. How long have you been trading? 2 years now. Do you have a mentor? He ignored that question. The reason why he ignored the question is because he does not have a mentor, and I suspected that maybe he just went through YouTube courses, downloaded videos on YouTube and watched them. Like, I will not advise you to do that. If you keep watching videos on YouTube, you will be jumping from one strategy to the other, from one video to the other, and you will not know the main. In fact, you won't be able to know the first, second, third video you should watch respectively. But you, that's someone that is guiding you, showing you this, that, do this, don't do this, don't do that. Like, there is difference between you and someone that is just going through YouTube videos randomly without a guidance. So I would advise you to go through YouTube videos. It will help, but it will take time. It will be like 5 years. It can take you 6 years before you can become, perfect in maybe trading. Like, someone came to me and told me that he has been trading for 5 years now, but he has not yet seen a good trading strategy. Like, he's still struggling. And I asked him, oh, so don't you have a mentor? He said he doesn't, that he has been going through YouTube because he's 5 years. You don't trade for 5 years, but you never get that particular winning strategy. Instead they fumble for market, instead they struggle. So, like, stop looking for that destiny helper because you will not see it. You have them already. There are 3 destiny helpers for this forest field, this forest space. You guys don't know. I know poverty is too much for Nigeria. Poverty is too much. We have online beggars. They will come to you and beg, and if you do a video call with that person, you will discover that the same picture on his profile, either on Twitter, TikTok, or Facebook, is the same person begging you. He or she does not impersonate, and you'll be like, damn, this person is disgracing, or should I say disgrace or embarrass? You're embarrassing yourself. You're disgracing your image, because last that person no go help you, but you don't come beggar. He don't see you as beggar. He has seen you as a beggar, and finally he won't even help you, because it is very difficult for someone to help you when you fuck up. I know a lot of people are passing through a lot, but nobody will believe your story unless you win. So keep that to yourself and hustle. Double your hustle. You understand? Double it. What about what people are doing? Nobody you hustle the money give them. So that one, a general advice. Go to the description of this channel so that you will know what this channel is all about. Apart from showing you how to make money online, those free probe account, funded account, no deposit bonus account, and forex updates, and how to to make money online, maybe through content creation or through any other means which is legitimate. I also advise forex traders, whether a beginner, advanced trader, or intermediate trader, no matter your level, you have to be humble. Even the market will humble you. So, like I said, we have 3 destiny helpers already in this forex space, which you don't know. The number 1 destiny helper is your broker. Number 2 destiny helper is your mentor, and the number 3 destiny helper is the pro firm industry, legitimate ones. So, legit pro firm, they are number 3 destiny helper. Oh, so what were you thinking? Were you thinking that I'll be mentioning people or people's name here, or people that you know, or will I be mentioning, or will I put myself in as a destiny helper? I can be a destiny helper through this means of giving you advice or telling you what to do and what not to do. Yes, I'm also a destiny helper. You feed at me to number 4. You understand? As I don't mention the 3 finish, if you can let me put for number 4, it's still good. So stop looking for destiny helper. You have them already. What you should look for as a forex trader is how to succeed, how to win. Then other will follow. Other things will follow. Like I said, before you install Metatrader 5, there's this particular thing you have to install first. before you install Metatrader 5 as a beginner, for instance, maybe you have already installed before you open it again. If you have already installed the app, before you open it again, install this particular thing. This thing I want to talk, not be something of say you never hear them before. A lot of people look down on it. They feel cheated to pay for mentorship. Install a mentor into your life first. I don't mean make you come make a teach you. Find mentor somewhere else. I know say many of them they charge like say then they increase. Forget about that one. Find mentor they fit charge like $100, 200. Pay them, let them teach you how to trade. You get why I do this video. You get why I talk this why I talk for this video, because people don't meet me, people don't tell me things where they pass through. To me, I know say now wetin cause this thing where they pass through because of lack of mentorship. You where no get mentor, and person wey get mentor where they guide them, where they try wetin to do this one, no do this one, and you will be say you just carry phone enter YouTube where they download videos, where they watch videos, and person no fit compare you. They can't shake where you go face go big past the other person wey get mentor. Even if you get mentor, you go still face shege, but your shege go get this kind of level where we say you yourself go fit endure am because you've passed through discipline, lectures, learning, guidance, and mentorship. So you won't be like someone that is just a newbie, total newbie that just went through courses on his or her own. You understand? So you can't compare yourself to him unless you just purposefully went against what your mentor told you to do. Maybe your mentor asked you to always use risk management and you refuse. That one is less for you. But before you install Metatrader 5 in your life, in your phone, first of all install the Metatrader to your life. I said that in my previous video. First of all, do what? Install a mentor first, because and that mentor will guide you with you you go do. And I go show you way. I don't say I go tell say they get money when they charge. See, free things no fit help you because you yourself no go dey serious. So you will take it for granted because it is free. Sometimes self person wey go teach you na him go come dey beg you self to be as if he's begging you to come and learn. He's the one telling you I need to. Sometimes even people wey pay money self, when it's time for them to join class, maybe it's online lectures, you will see them, they'll be lacking behind. You won't see them in the class, but they paid for it. So talk of you as maybe attending the lecture for free. So what do you want? What do you expect that person to do? You may not take it serious, so don't expect free things. Like I told you, install a mentor first into your life before you install MT5. If you already installed MT5, don't open it again. Go and get a mentor. If not, you will regret it. I will not talk much. You will regret it. Someone I heard the story about the guy who came to my mentor for mentorship. He asked him how much he charged for his mentorship. He told him physical class, face to face, 500k. Then if you want online lectures, told him 200,000. So he heard that amount and he was like, okay, I will get back to you later. He left. Do you know that same guy later came and told that man that he went and funded 4 million in his trading account and he lose everything? He blown that account. That 4 million is no more. That 4 million is no more. Okay, now you felt cheated to remove or subtract 500,000 from that 4 million or 200,000 from that 4 million and send to this guy to teach him. You choose to lose that money to the market and to learn first. I made mention of the 3 destiny helpers in this forex space. You may want to ask me, what of Metatrader 5? Metatrader 5 cannot be your destiny helper in this forex space. It is your broker, the pro-firm industry, and your mentor, most especially your mentor, followed by the broker and the pro-firm, legit ones. The Metatrader 5 now just external weapon used to fight the market. Metatrader 5 is an external weapon used to fight the market, that's all. And the first weapon you need to receive is the internal weapon, and this internal weapon is the knowledge. And where will you derive this knowledge from? It's from a mentor, from someone that's been trading, and you yourself, is very good at trading. He's always polite, unique, straightforward, and he does not cover things up. You pay such people to teach you. So you will impart in you this knowledge, and this knowledge is the internal weapon you've already gotten to fight the market, that's where you will go and install MT5 into your phone and do what? Start trading. That's why you install MT5 to your phone and start trading. So when you install MT5 to your phone and start trading, while you have the internal weapon in there in you, nothing will make you struggle. But you will just go to jump from one video to the other on YouTube. My brother, you go cry. You will struggle. You might struggle for 10 years. And you'll be like, Forex is a scam. The worst part of it, if you went ahead to trade good with all those rubbish you were doing, you'll be like, Forex is a scam. All these people are just like, they are using this thing to deceive people, to sell their courses, and you'll be talking nonsense. Okay, if to sell course they easy, follow go do and sell course now. You'll be seeing videos online that these people are just doing this to sell their course, to maybe promote their Telegram channel and all of that. Go do them now if it's easy. Nothing easy for this life. So stop looking for your destiny pass. You have them already, which I mentioned in this video. I mentioned them in this video. If you watch this video to this particular point, you might have already heard about them. And then, before you install MT5 as a beginner, first of all install a mentor. And maybe you have already installed MT5 and you've been going through YouTube videos. Don't trade again. I know so you don't lose money, so they look me so you don't lose that money. So as you lost and no fun am again, just go install mentor first into your life. Pay for mentorship, then make it teach you. After that, you feed, start trading. After the lectures, don't always forget risk management. So I get them places for my TikTok where they call the item and phone I can give them. Do I look like a broker? Do I look like a pro firm manager? You always come to ask the phone account for you. How more I dey follow struggle? Like I dey follow fight this market. You want man can carry my money, give you, make you trade. What if you lost everything and I'll be like, give me back my money, and you'll be like, did I force you? That's how human beings are. Or very ungrateful. No matter how good you are, you always lost money. You always blow. And this, the worst part of it, this money that I will fund for you is not your own personal fund. So how will you take care of it? I will take care of it because it concerns me. I will take some profit share from it now. So I don't care. It'll be your funds, not my own. If I fund and give you, go misbehave. So I don't take that kind of risk. So you can follow me on TikTok. Search for Gold Prince FX. The same name you say on YouTube. Go search for TikTok. Then follow me for TikTok. You go see him. You search the same name, Gold Prince FX, for TikTok. You see it. So please, if you're a beginner and you're watching this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, like, comment, and maybe you need help for a trusted pro firm. You want to know a trusted pro firm so you can start trading, or you buy a funded account, comment here under this video. I will let you know. And maybe you need trusted broker, comment also, I will let you know. You need mentorship or like any help where you need for this Forex stuff, I go guide you through. Just comment, you understand? I need to get you through. And don't forget, install a mentor first. See that app for your phone. If you open and you go bust your phone. So you could anything finances, anything money, not just they carry and play anyhow. But this Nigeria is very, very hard. Instead of to lose that money for market, instead of it to just carry that money for an account, start to the trade without learning first. Carry that money, dash poor people for road, dash people where we say you know say they suffer, dash them. I don't tell my finish. I know they talk twice. So make it not to say a word is enough for the wise. So as I just give you this word now, if you like, do it. If you don't like, leave it. That's last. Now you go still cry. You go come cry premium tears for my DM. Maybe on TikTok. I mean, I go follow you cry safe. If you reach your turn, go the ask and waiting happen. Just follow and cry.